Hi and welcome to the Math Walkthrough on Cambridge IGCSE 2018 Paper 1 58011. Question 1. Write 4647 correct to the nearest 100. It is 4600. Next, write 0.007 as a fraction. This is 7 over 1000. Question 3. The diagram shows a quadrilateral. Find the value of x. The sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Therefore, x is 136 degrees. Question 4. The nth term of a sequence is 5n minus 3. Write down the first three terms of the sequence. They are 2, 7, and 12 respectively. Next, write 0.00268 correct to two significant figures. This is 0.0027. Question 5b, write 0.0000387 in standard form. It is 3.87 times 10 to the power of minus 5. Question 6, find the value of 7x plus 3y when x is 12 and y is equals to minus 6. The math gets to 66. Question 7, the diagram shows two parallel lines PAQ and SBCT. AB is equal to AC and angle QAC is 43 degrees. Find the value of x. The first identified angle is 43, being an alternate to QAC. The second identified angle is also 43 degrees based on BAC being an isosceles triangle. The third angle is also 43 degrees being an alternate to the second angle. With that, the value of x is simply 180 minus 43 minus 43. Question 8. Solve the equation 8x minus 5 equals 7. The math gets us to 1.5. Question 9. Change 6.54 kilometers into meters. The conversion sees to the number being multiplied by 1000. Next, change 7850 centimeters cubed into liters. This conversion divides the number by 1000. Question 10. The height h meters of a boy is 1.72 meters. Correct to the nearest centimeter. Complete the statement about the value of h. Being correct to the nearest centimeter implies being correct to the second decimal point of the measurement in meter. Having said so, the range of the two required numbers would be that of 0.01, with h being its midpoint. Question 11. Expand and simplify the stated expression. The math will take us to the solution of 7y minus 23. Question 12. Write as a single vector g plus h. The summation of the two vectors will get us to minus 1, 9. Next, write as a single vector minus h. This negates each individual component within h to become 3 minus 4. Question 13. Work out the lowest common multiple of 18 and 21. We start by expressing 18 and 21 as the product of their respective prime factors. The lowest common multiple is simply the product of non-repeating prime factors. Question 14. Work out the size of one exterior angle of a regular octagon. The interior angle of a regular octagon can be derived from a standard formula. Its exterior angle is 180 degrees minus its interior angle. Question 15. Calculate the given expression, writing down your full calculator display. What gets filled here depends on your calculator, but the front digits should remain as shown. Question 15b. Write your answer to part A, correct to 4 decimal places. This is 6.5833. Question 16. Enlarge the rectangle using a scale factor of 3. Center of enlargement O. Each corner will see a threefold projection from O as shown on the diagram. Question 17a. A box contains 3 blue pens, 4 red pens, and 8 green pens only. A pen is chosen at random from the box. Find the probability that this pen is green. There are 8 green pens against a total of 15. Therefore, this probability is 8 over 15. Question 17b. A cube has only one of its 6 faces painted yellow. This cube is rolled 240 times. Work out the expected number of times that it lands on the yellow face. Being one of 6 faces implies having a probability of a 6 against the total of 240 times, taking us to 40. Question 18a. Simplify the given expression. The orders are being multiplied to arrive at x to the power of 12. Question 18b. Find the value of w for the given equation. By expressing both sides of the equation to a base of 4, x is equal minus 2. Question 19. From the list, write down the two numbers that are irrational. They are pi and root 3. Question 20a. Here's a description of a quadrilateral. It has 4 right angles, it has 2 lines of symmetry, it has rotational symmetry of order 2. Write down the mathematical name of this quadrilateral. It represents the rectangle. Question 20b. Write down 2 geometrical properties of a parallelogram. They can be any 2 out of the 4 stated here, namely 2 pairs of parallel sides, a rotational symmetry of order 2, opposite sides having similar length, and opposite angles being identical. Question 21. The net of a solid is drawn on a 1 cm square grid. Write down the name of the solid made from this net. This is a cuboid. Next, work out the volume of this solid. This will be the product of its length, width, and height components. Question 22. Factorize completely the given expression. It is the product of 2 and 5 plus 8w. Next, factorize completely the given expression on question 22b. This is the product of 4t and 3x minus 2t. Question 23. Without using your calculator, work out the product of the fraction. By expressing the mixed number into improper fractions, then performing the simplification as shown, it will get us to the answer of 3 over 10. Question 24. Solve the simultaneous equations. You must show all your working. For this question, both equations will need to be multiplied to get to one of its variables being equal in magnitude. This is achieved by multiplying equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 3. Upon completion of this, equation 4 is subtracted from equation 3 to solve for y. And upon inserting the value of y into equation 1, we can solve for x. Question 25. 40 people were asked how many times they visited the cinema in 1 month. The table shows the results. Find the mode. This is 4, being the one with the highest frequency. Next, calculate the mean. The mean is the sum or product of its number of cinema visits against its associated frequency, being divided by 40. Next, Omar wants to show the information from the table in a pie chart. Calculate the sector angle for the people who visited the cinema 5 times. This would be the fraction of 3 out of the total of 40 against 360 degrees. We have reached the end of this walkthrough. Do be on the lookout of our other walkthroughs if you have found this beneficial.